Hello, welcome to Dr. Ashish Parnani YouTube channel. I'm Ashish and I welcome you in this amazing video on why you should start a YouTube channel now. Guys, I started my YouTube channel, it's been almost 6 years and it has been an amazing journey. I've posted almost 300 videos. I got amazing results, lakhs of views, thousands of subscribers. As you can see, you are one of those who have subscribed and still watching my video. If you have not subscribed, this is the time, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe to this video, to this channel, so that you can continue enjoying this wonderful learning videos. My dear friends, I want to tell you very important thing, that why you should start a YouTube channel. Guys, 2024, now we are sitting in this March month, and this is very important for us to understand. If you have something to offer to the world, YouTube is amazing platform for you to do the same thing. For me, as a professional trainer and a coach, I do not train or coach every day, but I have a lot of knowledge. So what I do with that knowledge, or let's say with that wisdom, I do not train and coach every day. So what I did, I started my YouTube channel and I started posting videos every week. And that is what I'm doing currently. And that is you can do. So the number one reason why you should start a YouTube channel now is that because you can share your talent and skills. Yes. Whatever talent you have, whatever skills you have, you can share with the world. I have seen a lot of videos, people with break dance, people with the talent of playing tabla, sitar, flute, musical instruments, that is, dance, singing. They are doing everything, cooking. Just imagine that. People who have great knowledge about trading, they are helping people to trade, share market, finance, facts, funny videos. Whatever talent you have, whatever skill you have, an idea you have, and you can think you can present that in an amazing way, do so, guys. Please do so. People are waiting to know something better. People are waiting to watch something amazing thing. And you can do it. So why you should start a YouTube channel now? To showcase your talent and skill. I have been into that knowledge industry. I've been a subject matter expert and I share on soft skills, leadership, on subjects like personal finance, and you can do the same thing. Start your YouTube channel if you want to showcase something amazing and offer and help people with something. So that is the number one thing. Second thing, why you should start a YouTube channel, and that is earning. You can get an amazing earning with the help of YouTube. I've got my first check, you can say, or first monetary breakthrough in 2021 through YouTube. 2021 was a time when most of my videos got viral. Some of my videos got amazing views, I got amazing connections, subscriptions as well. So got a good check. And I was thrilled, and that's how I started making videos and getting good engagement, a steady followership as well. And you can do the same. It's not about YouTube paying you, but you can get some amazing endorsement deals as well. You can partner with brands. And let me tell you, people are making millions of rupees for just one video. You can put their name in your video and you can earn millions of rupees. And guys, I'm telling you, the earning potential with YouTube is amazing. Amazing. So earning and making money is the second reason why you should start a YouTube channel. And let me tell you, it's not easy. It won't come easy or the starting. You have to work hard, and consistency is the key, but it is there. There are a lot of people who are benefiting through it. I'm one of the example. Okay. The third thing, why you should start a YouTube channel now, is its global reach. YouTube is world's second largest search engine. People search on YouTube to know something, to become better, to understand something, to study or to research. That is along with Google. Why not that you be present on YouTube? It's a wonderful thing for your product to be there, for your business to be there, for your knowledge to be there. And with the help of YouTube, you are getting so amazing visibility when globally thousands and millions or billions of people can reach out to you, or you can reach out to them. And that is amazing reason why you should be on YouTube. Let me tell you one amazing thing what happened with me. I shared one of my leadership video in one of the Facebook group. And in that group, there was a guy, a young guy of 22 years of age, who later on reached out to me on my WhatsApp and said, Dr. Ashish, I loved your leadership video and I want to invite you as a guest lecturer on leadership for our college. And guess what? I did that. It was not once, but I've done that now in last 3-4 years. I've done that 5-6 times for that particular college. And that has been the story. This is one of the story I want to share. Because what people see, people admire if they are getting benefited. And some decision makers watch or the customers watch those videos, they can also take some decisions to buy from you, to follow you, to reach out to you, to invite you. And there are a lot of benefits out of it. And if there are nothing, let me tell you, you are helping someone from your knowledge or from whatever you have to offer. And that is the biggest reward, isn't it? So start your YouTube channel. I've given you these 3 important reasons, guys. Okay. Share this video with your friends and family. They can benefit it out of it. Subscribe this channel if you have not. And please let me know any topic you want to hear or watch more videos on. I would love to come up with some new ideas as well. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.